Ukraine is on verge of sanitary catastrophe. The majority of current sewerage system constructed during the Soviet times is totally worn out. Out-of-date tubes leak, thus absorbing numerous bacteria, infecting the water supply systems. Intensified with the anomalous summer heat, a good deal of infections has already resulted in negative consequences. The first to suffer are the residents of Izmail, a town in Odesa region in southern Ukraine. The infection outbreak started in the mid-June, when several hundreds of people turned at the same time for medical help, complaining on unknown enteric symptoms. In the following days, the number of patients rose drastically. The doctors reported of lacking places in the hospitals. Local authorities immediately closed all public eating places, declaring an emergency state. The ecologists claim the source of infection might be tap water, supposedly contaminated after heavy rain. Until now, the residents do not risk to drink tap water, choosing instead bottled potable water delivered from other places, despite it being expensive and difficult to purchase.
A couple of days ago, I boiled some fruit in the water. The next day, both me and my husband started feeling bad. It's impossible to drink, and I cannot risk since we have a 3-year-old child.
The authorities at first promised to clean the tap system with concentrated chlorine solution. Now they say using chlorine dioxide would be more efficient. The total disinfection cost is estimated to be nearly 200,000 hryvnias.
Chlorine dioxide is a much stronger chemical. Simple chlorine is more harmful for people's health, though much cheaper.
Another catastrophe happened on the opposite side of Ukrainian map. 50,000 residents of the city of Sumy in northern part of the country were left without water supply after the pumping station's breakdown. Shortly after it went out of order, on Monday, the 20th of June, the authorities cut the water supply to avoid mass poisoning. Along with the numerous households, regional children's hospital, military hospital, retirement home and several kindergartens had to deal with summer heat without water in the tap.
It's impossible to deal without water, especially having a little child at home. I can't do anything. Additionally, today they turned off the electricity. It's almost apocalypse.
The authorities in turn claim turning off the water supply was a necessary step, since the tap water might be infected. The old tube burst open, leaving a hole of nearly 6 meters in the diameter. If pieces of earth soak through to the sewage, it may cause mass poisoning, similar to what is happening in Izmail. No one currently knows when the water supply renewal is anticipated. The rescuers claim the situation in Sumy is totally catastrophic.
The water supply system has been exploited for dozens of years. Taking this into account, I cannot guarantee there will be no accident tomorrow.
While the cities of Sumy and Izmail get used to living under water shortage conditions, Kyiv has started recycling tons of garbage delivered from the western city of Lviv. After the garbage slip at Hrybovice disposal dump, killing at least 3 firemen, the landfill has been closed down. Having no alternative place to liquidate trash, Lviv services called their Kyiv colleagues to assist. The first part already arrived at the local dump, 200 tons in total. The servicemen say they will supposedly recycle garbage waste from Lviv no longer than August, until Lviv authorities find a final solution to the problem.